Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to use iMovie effectively. So first, before I get started, let's go over a few important aspects to know about iMovie. So you can import media, you can use audio, which is music or just little short clips, you can add titles, backgrounds, and transitions. So the main point that I'm going to teach you guys today is how to use green screen. So first, you need to record obviously a video with a green screen behind it so you're able to use this effect. So if you see this video right here, I'm just going to drag it right there. You can also use My Media and you can go and search your files in your own computer, but I'm just going to drag it so it's going to be right here. And then this is the picture that I picked out for the background. First you need to make sure that the video is on top of the picture like this. And then after you have it aligned like this, you are going to double click on the video and you're going to hit cutaway like right here and hit this drop down and you're going to hit green/blue screen. And once you click that, now this becomes my new background. So in order to have this background throughout the entire video, you would change the duration of it and you would drag it all the way until the end of the video. You could also use different pictures if you would like, more than one. You would just do the exact same thing. You would just drag the picture and drop it right here, and then you would it'll automatically become your background. So now that we have that, you can add audio. So for an example, I'm just going to drag this one as an example, and you would put it down here, right there. You can see that it's only a second long, so it's not going to be super long, but you can choose different, you can go to your music like this, and then your downloaded music will pop up here. And then you can also add titles, so if you hover over it, it will show you what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to use the first one as an example, and then you can enter your text here. So I'm just going to enter my name, just like that for an example, and then you would hit reset once you are done. And then you can add different backgrounds, but since we're doing green screen, you don't need a different background. And then you can also add transitions. So same thing, if you hover over it, it will show you what it's going to look like. I think this one's pretty cool, so I'm going to use this one as my example, and you would drag it in between the two different things that you would want it for. So I'm going to have a transition after my title page into the video. So to show you guys that, if you watch right here, it will show you. I'm going to hit play, and it will look like that. So there you go. That's a transition. So that is all I have for you today. That's just a little overview of how to use green screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.